You may be brand new to the insurance business, or you may be an agent who struggled with finances and managing your income for some time as an insurance agent. So either way, at some point, all of us came from a job where we were making the same amount of money each week, more than likely. Welcome to the Final Expense Sales Academy, the hub for mastering the art of final expense life insurance sales. If you're looking to become a pro in the final expense industry, you're in the right place. My name is Kyle Williams, and I'm your host to go through the ins and outs of the final expense business, from tips to tricks to industry insights. We cover everything you need to close deals with confidence, provide true value to your clients, and become a better insurance agent. So hit that subscribe button. Let's get started on elevating your sales game one video at a time. Hey guys, in this episode, we're going to talk about managing your income when you're on 100% commission as a final expense life insurance agent. You may be brand new to the insurance business, or you may be an agent who struggled with finances and managing your income for some time as an insurance agent. So either way, at some point, all of us came from a job where we were making the same amount of money each week, more than likely. You knew exactly how much you're going to get paid every week or every other week or every month. And when you're on that type of paycheck, you know exactly when you're going to get paid, by exactly how much it is, and so that way you can plan accordingly. But when you're on 100% commission, there's a certain amount of uncertainty on exactly how much you'll make tomorrow, next week, or even next month. So navigating this uncertainty can be difficult for some agents, and it is one of the top reasons why insurance agents don't make it into the insurance business. And they fail out because they run out of money. So in this video, I'm going to break down some very practical things that you can implement today that will help you navigate you through this uncertainty. So the very first thing that you need to do is you need to list out all of your expenses in your personal life and in your business life. Because when you start selling insurance, you're now a business. So treat yourself like a business. Let's separate the two out. So list out your expenses for your business, list out your expenses for your personal life. So now you know exactly how much money in bills that you need to pay each month. You don't have to get fancy with an Excel sheet. You can just do it on a piece of paper. Doesn't have to be fancy. Now you know what your break even is each month. It's a fancy business term for that. Now the second thing that you need to do is you need to create a separate checking account. And this will be referred to as your business account. So then what you'll need to do is you'll need to contact all of your carriers that you deal with and get a form and send it to them and reroute your commissions to your business account. Put it in parentheses because it's not a real business account. It's probably just another personal checking account. Your business account, route all your commissions there. So then that way your insurance companies pay your commissions to that business account. And you will pay all of your expenses for your business out of this business account as well. Pro tip, this makes your taxes 10 times easier, because everything's in one place. They got all your income and all your expenses. No more highlighting stuff through your accounts. Third thing you need to do, put yourself on a salary. Go back and see what your bills were for your personal life. And now you can determine a livable salary to take care of all your life needs. So you got that number plus a little bit of living expenses. Now you know what you need to live off of. Set that salary. It's going to be different for everybody because everybody's coming from different situations. So there's not a magic number of what that salary should be. That's why you have to look at your situation and see what your salary needs to be. Because somebody coming fresh out of college with hardly any bills, their amount of money is going to be a lot lower versus somebody who's married and has 3 kids. Make the number as close as you can get it so that way you can maximize the amount of cash that you keep in your business. And I'll get to that in just a moment. And there will be a time where you can give yourself a pay raise. I'll come back to that as well. The fourth thing that you need to do is you need to add up all your expenses in your business. So now we're going to take whatever our salary payments are for every month, plus all of our other expenses that we pay out of our account every month. And whatever that number is, that is now your bottom line in your business checking account. So what do I mean by that? Let's take, for instance, you add up all your salary payments and all your expenses, and that number ends up being $6,000. Now, $6,000 is your bottom line in your business checking account. You do not allow your business checking account to go below $6,000. If you do, it's effectively the same thing as if if you had $0 in your account and you were overdrawing your account. You do not allow it to go below $6,000. That shifts to be your new zero bottom line. So if you're new to the business, you may not have that much money saved up. So you need to work as hard as you can to get that number in your account, because this will help provide some peace of mind. And by doing this, it will give you enough money to pay for all of your expenses for the entire month without making one sale or making one penny. And that will give you peace of mind that if you have one bad week, you can still pay yourself and you can still pay your bills. You have room for that, and you can make up for it in the other 3 weeks. It doesn't put you 1 week away from being out of the business. So it gives you room, and it gives you peace of mind, and it gives you room to breathe. Okay? So by doing this, it will help you manage your cash flow better. Okay? It prevents you from making $2,000 this week and then spending $2,000. And it will take the pressure off of you each and every week, so that way you don't have to go out and perform. We should want to go out and perform, but we don't have to go out and perform. There's nothing worse than a broke salesman. They stink and they're desperate, and they usually don't make a lot of sales. Now, once you get to a good spot where you're making good money and you have more than that bottom line number in your account, now what you can start doing is start taking some money out of that business account and start paying yourself. This is referred to as a dividend in the business world. So now, whatever that money is, the amount of money that's over that bottom line number, whatever your bottom line number is, once a month, you can take that money out and you can pay yourself more. This is the way that you can give yourself a pay raise. So let me give you an example. Let's say your bottom line number is $6,000, and you pick that the first of the month is going to be payday. So if you have $10,000 on the first of the month, you can take $4,000 out and you can pay yourself extra to do whatever you want to with. So this is a system that you can use and you can implement today that will help you manage your finances better, and this prevents you from being 1 week away from being out of the business. This is a system that I use today and I will continue to use from here on out. And you can modify it and tweak it however you want. You can create all kind of different systems in place, but it's just all about having a plan, and that's the bare bones that you need to have to be able to be successful with it. So if you have any questions, comment below. Be sure to subscribe so that you catch our latest content. Receive something valuable here. Share it with your friends. Share it on social media. And we will see you in the next episode.